Not all trees are the same. Two oaks from the same species can be completely different. Good part of my tables all start from the same seed. They just evolve. I didn't really study anything related to aesthetic, nothing related with design, nothing related with arts. I started looking for someone who could really explain me what to do and where to get the wood and where to get all my elements. And I found this master for boat building in a sawmill in Alcácer. The sawmill was very, very relevant in a community in the first half of the 20th century. Never closed in its entire history. I think that's like a very big culture to accept and to mix with it, because you cannot really arrive to space and really just start to treat it as four walls. I have a lot of local wood, a lot of cork oak, a lot of oak from the region. The most interesting ones are those that grow wild. The storm timber, the trees that fall and are normally very big and very interesting trees. Why do I like balance? It's probably what I'm looking for myself again. What I'm searching for myself. We have our priorities a bit unbalanced. But I really hope that many people will continue going back to abandoned places, to abandoned lands, and relearn, reappreciate. Nature needs that. To be treated, to be taken care of, The earth needs that.